guys, Yumiko here, and today I'm going to introduce the second set part of this year's Bricktober. So it is a fun fair theme, and what I have in front of me is a roller coaster. I'm actually very skeptical of roller coasters because I'm very afraid of taking dramatic rides. So let's take a look at this adorable set that Lego has created. So there are two packets, and this one with all the black pieces, this is the base of your roller coaster. I'm gonna pour them out and take a look. Oops. And the second packet with all the brightly colored bricks, this is what is going to make up your roller coaster. Now, as part of this set, there are also some interesting, unique pieces as well, and I'm talking about your roller coaster cars. Let's take a look at them. There's your golden ones, there's your red ones as well. I see that there's also a pizza stand if you're hungry, a Lego man that's going to take the ride, your flag poles, and the red flag. So these are your interesting, unique pieces. I'm gonna piece them up and I'll be back with you in just a bit. Hi guys, so I'm back from fixing the roller coaster set. I must say it is super adorable. It doesn't make me feel scared at all, right? Because it's so cute. Now if you're hungry, you can even pop by the pizza stall here just to grab a slice of pizza for yourself. There's a Lego person here, probably ready to take a ride up the roller coaster. I can see that the track is really very bright. It's got yellow for its tracks, and you can tell that the entire build is super unique and really makes the entire roller coaster come alive. So don't forget that you can collect this limited edition Bricktober set at any Toys R Us Singapore from now till 16 October with a $65 Lego purchase. Now don't forget to tune in for more by following Toys R Us Singapore on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Bye!